The fear about IT job. Everybody fearing about IT job because the background verification will be done strictly in MNCs. Okay, many people they doesn't know about the background verifications. If we join this company, they will do background verification. Even that basic knowledge also people doesn't have awareness. Okay, simply they're submitting different documents, they are submitting fake documents, they are submitting moonlight documents, and they are assuming that we will join this company, we will work this company, we will get the salary every month. Okay, so completely wrong decision. Okay, if you do that, organization will send you out. That is 100% true right now. Okay, so in past few years, IT started before 20 years back or before 15 years back. Okay, but now mass layoff is happening because the IT will always go up and go down. They always in IT domain, always the ups and downs will be there. So we need to stabilize our skill, we need to stabilize our documents, we need to stabilize our knowledge always. That is why people are always thinking about new technology, how to study new technology, how to join in standard organization. People are thinking about job security also. Okay, nowadays if you join in big MNCs, there is no job security also. So right now mass layoff is happening from Microsoft to even small companies, Zoom, and even startup companies also doing the layoff. Okay, so apart from this layoff, there are some organization, they have some sustained potential customer and they are running the organization. If they run the organization, they need an employee. Okay, so to fix the employee, to select the employee, to initiate the onboarding process, there are set of actions they need to do, which is the major part nowadays big MNCs are doing. Because if they fetch any fake resource, they cannot create wonderful product to the client. Okay, if we fetch the wonderful resource, they assume that they will prepare the wonderful software product and deliver it to client on time. So this is basic things. If they want to deliver the effective product, they need to fetch effective people, knowledgeable people, and pure people. Okay, and not only in IT domain, wherever you go, even housekeeping also nowadays background verification will be done. And think about the graduates. You are graduates, you are watching this video, and definitely if you join in small company, they will do verification process, no doubt on that. Okay, so always keep clean your record properly, think yourself first and then react. Okay, and that is what I'm trying to say in the last videos, and in this video indirectly and directly I'm conveying this information to you. Always think yourself and react. Okay, and we are giving solution for background verification related problem, and yeah, of course we give genuine solution, and people are want genuine solution, but they are not genuine people. They will submit the fake certificate and then coming to me, I submitted fake certificate in big MNC, I want to escape from this background verification. How this will happen? Okay, before joining into the organization, you need to approach me. Then only I will tell you where you need to go, where you should not go, where you have to brake your car. Okay, and of course there are a lot of people utilized our channel and got the solution, even though they have termination record, moonlight activities for submitting the fake certificate. I given wonderful consulting and how to use that in an effective way, in genuine way. Okay, you need to follow my instructions, not your instructions. If you use your instruction, organization will send you out without any single document. So they will create PF account. If you go for new company, they will track everything in PF account. They will come to you, they will ask, so this is what you worked in previous company, why you are not showing like this. Okay, so please think about it. They can track within fraction of seconds. Okay, information available digitally, just clicking on one mouse event, they can track everything. So now we are in information age. Okay, and background verification process also simplified. No one going to visit your previous organization, no one going to checking your previous relieving letter, experience letter, everything manually. People are just sitting at office, at home and doing the background verification. Even I will tell you right now, using your mobile, people are doing the background verification. Using their mobile, they are doing the background verification actually. That is fair enough, right? Even you can also do the background verification. I have uploaded a lot of videos how people are doing the background verification, how you can check your background verification effectively. Okay, I hope I conveyed all the information in this channel. So fear about IT job. So try to clean your record properly. If you struggle anywhere, okay, from the scratch, I will help you. Before joining into the organization or before getting the offer, you need to interact with me. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. If you like this channel, please subscribe and share to your friends. Take care. Bye-bye.